In this video, I'm going to show you real quick how to use the remote start feature on a 2022 Ford Escape. You're going to look for, on your remote, make sure you have this button here that has the 2X on it. That's telling you that that's the remote start button. The first thing you're going to do is press the lock button one time and then press the remote start button twice. You'll then see the lights turn on. The vehicle just started up. It won't allow anybody to drive away. So I'm going to unlock the vehicle. And then to be able to actually drive the vehicle, you're going to need to get inside, and then you're going to push on the brake pedal at the same time you press on the start button. Now the vehicle is ready to be driven and you're all set. If you thought this video was helpful, give it a like, comment with any comments, and subscribe to help us make more videos just like this. Thanks for watching.